Ladies and gentlemen, directly in front of me here, eWin reached out to see if I would be interested in checking out their ergonomic gaming chair. Now this thing is supposed to be awesome. I'm really hyped to get this in my office and replace my regular chair. So today we're going to be taking a look at this eWin ergonomic gaming chair. This thing looks pretty cool, man. Look at the box. It's very heavy. I feel like it's going to be a high quality product. It's one that I'm really looking forward to getting out of the box and checking out. Now, hopefully this is good enough to replace my old beat up office chair and we can take that thing and set it directly on the curb. That would be my goal. So today, let's get this thing opened up and see what's inside of it. It's gotta be something awesome, right? Let's do it today on Supercar Street Racing. Now, I don't know where I got this old chair from, but I've been using this in my office for a while. Right here in front of me, this office chair will hopefully be replaced today. So my goal is to get the eWin out of the box, directly out of the box right now, so we can go ahead and get this thing built and put over in the Supercar Street Racing office. But to get this out of the box, we have the trusted SCSR patented scissors. Let's go ahead and cut this box open. eWin reached out and asked me if I would want to take a look at this. I said yes. Now, honestly, I've been running behind because I have so much happening with YouTube scheduling that I was late, so I owe them an apology for that. But we're gonna go ahead and do this right now because I can't wait to put this in my office. As soon as we open the box, we see crazy good packaging, which I always love to see that with these content creation videos. And this packaging looks so cool. Check it out, guys. Shows you all the features of the chair. Drop test it passed, stability test, backload test, overturning test, swivel test, mechanism test, vertical armrest, and packaging drop test. All done before the package got here. And over here, there are some funny little things that you're not supposed to do. Don't sit on the edge, don't lift weights on it. Don't let somebody sit on your lap. Don't put your surfboard in it or a sword. It's a sword. Don't surf on it, and don't go crazy and use it for a vehicle. All that stuff is on the box. Pretty funny. At least I have a sense of humor, right? All right, guys, real quick before we jump into the next part of the video, I want to take a moment to thank a brand new sponsor on the channel, Umevo. They sent over their AI voice recorder with app control, and honestly, this thing looks super useful. Now, this guy right here is an AI voice recorder that automatically transcribes and translates your recordings. No more scrolling through all your files, trying to remember which one was your parts list, which one was that note you made at 2 a.m. last night, and which one was a video idea. It's all recorded right here and organized. When you hit record and talk naturally, Umevo's AI turns everything into clean, searchable text. And because we're always filming around loud environments, all that noise, the built-in noise reduction microphone is a lifesaver. Even in the shop, this thing will keep your voice clear and make your voice understandable to the AI. Now, you can control the recorder also remotely. You can start and stop everything from your phone. You can see your transcriptions pop up instantly, organize your notes, export everything. It all syncs automatically. I'm using it right now. I'm recording this whole video, and hopefully after I'm done, I'll show you what it recorded. Now, the battery life is also really solid. It comes with a USB charger right here. It is the magnetic style. They also give you a USB Type-C adapter for that if you don't have USB Type-A available. Now, this is the app, the AI DVR link. You can see it's actually recording me right now to the freaking app. I love this thing. It's so cool. And we want to thank Umevo. So huge thanks to Umevo for supporting the channel and sending us this cool AI voice recorder. When this is done, you can export all of your recordings in multiple different formats to your computer to organize them there as well. Please, everyone, check out the link in the description to order yours. Now let's get back to the video. This box is very heavy, by the way. Now we got a nice big poster with instructions on the back. I can read this. This is the only thing I can read. So we're gonna put that over here, just like that, while we go ahead and open up the rest of this. Now right here is a nice folder, and the rest is just the chair. Let's get this in a position where we can actually build it. Okay, I decided to build this in the actual room in case it won't fit through the door. And thanks to our sponsor today, Teslong, we're going to be using their quick fix toolkit here to help us out with this build. All these cool tools will be assisting us, hopefully. Now I've got the assembly guide on the bed here. Let's continue. It says to remove these 4 screws. You can eat this later, or I'll give it to your mom when she comes over. Okay, next step, slide the backrest right down onto the bracket. Okay, I just finished building my eWin gaming chair. You can see it right here, looking so fresh and so fly. You can see right here, it also has a magnetic pillow system, but we have to get this old chair out of here. That is the next step. We're getting this out and getting this one in. But to do that, we got to get this thing out to the street so someone can have it. I don't want it anymore. Perfect. Thanks, eWin. You just saw the unboxing and assembly of the eWin Champion chair. Now we're going to get into the controls a little bit. And by the way, this thing is super comfortable, but the first control you need to understand is the seat height adjustment. Now on the right side under the seat, there's a little paddle-like adjustment gear. You just pull up on this while you lift your weight off the chair, and you can see the chair raising right now to a comfortable position. Now to lower the chair is very simple. You do the same thing over again, but you let your weight kind of settle the chair down to your comfortable position. Now on the left side, you've got your tilt and recline controls. You pull that lever up to unlock the tilt so you can lean back and relax. And then when you got it where you want it, you just move the lever to the opposite position. Now if you want the recline to feel tighter or looser, that's where the tension knob underneath the seat comes in. If you turn it clockwise, it'll create more resistance. If you turn it counterclockwise, it'll be an easier lean. Dial it in just like tuning a suspension. Now on the right-hand side here, you also got your recliner control. You just pull up on that and you can tilt the recline back like this, and it can go all the way back to the back. You can see literally here, I can go even with the floor. I'm ready for a nap. Now, another really cool feature of this chair is the armrests. You have complete 4D control of these guys with the buttons on the side. If you pull up on the button on the right side of this one and on the left side of this one, it allows you to raise and lower the armrests. If you push the button on the inside of either one of these, it allows you to adjust them both in and out. And then this button on the front of the armrest moves the armrest forward and backwards. So you have complete control of your armrests. Now let's not forget the magnetic pillow that comes with this. This pillow can attach to the top however you want it. It is adjustable. It sticks right on there. And as a huge thank you, eWin gave us this nice memory foam pillow. You can use it however you want. You can use it behind your head, or you can use it for more lumbar support if you want. Very awesome. Now on the left side of the chair for your lumbar support, you will find lumbar position. It is a knob right here. Now all you have to do is rotate the knob clockwise and the lumbar support moves up. If you do it counterclockwise, the lumbar support moves down. Now on this side of the chair, we have another knob for lumbar curvature. Rotate the knob clockwise for more curve and counterclockwise for less curve. So there you go, height, tilt, tension, 4D armrest, magnetic support, lumbar controls. That's everything you need to know to dial in your eWin Champion gaming chair so it fits like a performance seat. If you want more gear reviews, tech tests, and full send content, make sure you're subscribed to Supercar Street Racing. Pick up the eWin chair from the link in the description. We'll see you later.